Diffraction gratings do not split light. Even though it sometimes looks like they do, a laser broken into multiple beams, like water sprayed in many directions, a fancy nozzle. That's not what a diffraction grating is. They do not split light. You've seen the diagram, used the equation, and heard about interference. You may have even seen this YouTuber, that's where we got the idea here, and we're starting with a laser shining on a mirror, seen with a camera, laser light right in the eye, ouch. But then cover that spot with black construction paper so it's not as bright, and put a diffraction grating on the mirror, slide it around, find the right spot, and you'll see it, a surprising dot that you can see if you're at the camera location. It only shows up at the right angle. And it's clearly a dot, not some random diffuse reflection. To prove it, we will rotate the slide and the dot disappears and then reappears. That's cool, but what did we disprove the law of reflection? No, it's not reflection, it's diffraction and interference. It's as if a virtual laser pointer were hiding behind the mirror and its light was splitting. Only that is not what is happening, because diffraction gratings do not split light. The laser is not even aimed at the slide. Imagine trying to water a flower, but you're pointing the hose in the wrong direction. Then you put a nozzle somewhere else entirely and the flower gets wet. That would be surprising. It is a surprising dot. But it is also an angle we can measure, an equation we can check with multiple wavelengths, multiple diffraction gratings, 4 combinations, differences worth noticing, measuring the heights and the lengths, and then doing some calculation of angles. Basically, we got what we wanted. The calculations worked. Hooray! And then we took data for other different arrangements. Some worked, and then and it failed. Drat! What happened here? Well, there's a good reason. Down here, the laser pointer and the diffraction grating were out of sync. So we're going to have to turn to a different but a similar equation. Notice here the angles are measured with respect to the normal, but it works. Yay, again. So we are done. But wait a second. Let's try this. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. This is what you're doing. You're taking the hose and blasting water on this jagged target thing, and it's spraying everywhere. No, 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 no. The laser or the hose is not aimed at the target. That's the whole point. And no, the water did not spray everywhere at it. It went at a specific measurable angle. And if you're saying that some of the, quote, spray, some of the light got to the slide somehow, well, neither I nor Huygens will disagree so long as you agree that diffraction gratings do not split light.